Greetings of the day. Today we'll try to learn how to use continuous statement in a C program. So, before moving to the practical part, I would request you all to please subscribe my channel, which will motivate me a lot. Now we'll directly jump to the SQL prompt, not SQL prompt. We'll directly jump to the Turbo C editor, or you can say Turbo C compiler. And now here, this is the program which will help you to understand the use of continuous statement. So before going ahead with the practical part, we must understand what continuous statement does. It says a continuous statement skips execution of the statement after it. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि continuous statement जहां कहीं compiler identify करेगा और you can say will execute wherever the compiler find continuous statement to execute, उसके बाद का कोई भी स्टेटमेंट जो लूप का पार्ट है वो एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होगा. मीन्स कंटिन्यू के बाद की कोई भी जो आपका स्टेटमेंट है वो एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होगा और आपका कंट्रोल ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा बिगिनिंग ऑफ द लूप में. इट अगेन सेज इट टेक्स कंट्रोल टू द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द लूप. मीन्स whenever you will find, whenever the compiler finds continue, it will not execute any statement after that and loop will be transferred to the beginning of the loop. Very simple. Now see this code. In this code, this is a variable of type integer. Its initial value is 100. This is the do loop. At this point, we are entering into the loop. This is the condition. It says when num is equal to 105, at that point of time, the value of num will be added by 1 and continue will be, you can say, executed. So after this continuous statement, these two statement which are after continue will not be executed. That is the motive of this, or you can say meaning of this, execution of a statement after it. Clear? So these are the two statement which will not be executed after continue. And when continue will be in action? At the point when the value of one num is 105. Clear? Not before, not after. Clear? So suppose if we will run it, what will happen? Initially it will print 100 because after do this is false. Simple. What will print? 100. Then this will be added 102, 103, 104, 105 पे ये पर्टिकुलर कोड एक्शन में आएगा. ये जो कोड है ना, num equals to num plus 1 and continue will executed only once, and that is when value of num is 105. Clear? And once suppose that num is 105, in that case what we are doing, we are adding value of we are adding 1 to the value of num. This will become 106. Otherwise, if will not increment, what will happen? It will again will remain 105 and will be there in the if statement only, will not be able to go ahead further. That's why this num equals to num plus 1 is added here. And after this addition, this continue statement will be executed by the compiler. Clear? Clear? And after this will not be printed. This statement will not be executed. Means printing of 105 will not be there in the output. Clear? Next time, this whole loop will not be working because this condition is false. And then by that time, the value of num will become 106. Then you will be finding 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 106, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear? So let's compile it. Alt F9. Then Control F9. See it here. You are able to see 100, 101, 2, 3, 4. 5 is not there. 6, 7, 8, 9. Because that at 10th point we have added less than 110, so next time it will not be executed. If we do less than equal to 110, that it will does what? Let's see. Alt F9, Control F9. Now you are able to see 100 to 110, but 105 is not printed in the output. So you can use continue. Suppose you need to write a program, like I'm saying, write a program to print a list, or you can say write a program to print 1 to 20, but make sure that 105 is not printed. So in that case, at a certain point you need to put a conditional statement and then add continue in that. Suppose I'm trying to print 1 to 20. I'm keeping it 100 and I don't want to print 5. What I will do? I will keep 5 and then up to 20. Clear? We'll begin with 1, and as and when num will be 5, value of num will be incremented and then continue will be executed, and after that there will be no printing of value, and then we'll go to the next iteration and we'll keep on going. See, so I was able to print 1 to 20 without 5. Alt F9, Control F9, see it here. You are in the output, 5 is missing, and that is only with the help of continue statement. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you very much.